This video will give you an idea about how to use Polygon in Creo Sketch. Watch the previous videos about how to reach there in Sketch module. So let's begin. Select the palette tool from Sketch tab, Sketching panel and Palette. A dialog box will open up, that is Sketcher palette. Here we have Polygon option containing list of polygons right from triangle up to 20-sided polygon. Let's try 6-sided hexagon. Now select and hold left mouse button and drag and drop at desired center of polygon. Let's put it there. This is length of each side of polygon. Let's put it 5 units. This is angle of rotation about center of polygon. Let's try 45 degrees. Let's have a look. Polygon is now rotated about its axis at 45 degrees. This is it. Close the sketcher palette and select green tick as OK. This is final look of hexagon having 6 sides of equal length. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.